My favourite thing about Dynamite is the welcoming teachers, and everyone is very supportive of each other.
Even though we're all different ages and different levels of abilities, we're such a close family.
Probably all my closest friends have been made here at Dynamite.
At Dynamite there's a recreational and serious stream, so even if you want to come just for the atmosphere or the fun, you can do the recreational. Otherwise, people who are serious about dance or want to pursue a future can do that.
A lot of things, especially job-wise, relies on teamwork, being able to communicate well. And in dance you don't just learn, how to do certain steps, there's other life lessons you get out of it.
I think Dynamite has taught me not just dance, but taught me how to work as a team, how to cooperate with others, and discipline and manners. It's not just a dance school.